Let's say you're out on a ride. You snapped your tie rod. What are you going to do? Well, a temporary solution to that is this. I personally have not used it, but I have carried this in my bags for many years, and I have helped other people while riding out in parks. Haven't had to use it on Hatfield McCoys, but anyways, what this is basically so that you can still have steering. Now, I know this is solid and good to go, but this is all hypothetical, okay? What it consists of is a 1/2 inch all thread, nuts, and hose clamps. That's it. Nothing more. You don't have to worry about it. When you clamp this up, you want it pretty much straight across on the back or on the front. You don't want it up and you want it down. Most time you want it on the back just in case you're going through something, so there's nothing that might reach up and snag it and try to yank it or break it off. But what you do is, let's say that the crack is right here, it's broken completely, so you clamp it all back up. Right here at the crack, you want to do as many hose clamps as you can. Usually about 3 is a good amount on each side of the crack. Tighten the nuts just a little bit down so that it won't let it slide around too much. Then come out here and go as much as you can on hose clamps. I normally will carry about 20 hose clamps. I carry hose clamps that range up to 1.25 inches. Okay? I don't recommend the cheap ones. Get you the true stainless steel ones. They work a lot better and they're a lot stronger. When you go to take and put the clamps on, don't gorilla tighten them. Just go to where they stop, where they feel that they have pretty much given you everything they can. Do not keep on going. This, like I said, is just a temporary. Now, if you were, let's say you're a couple miles away from your area and you're trying to nurse your machine back, get out every so often, double check your clamps, make sure you're okay. Personally, this is a use at your own risk. This is just an idea. We've helped people out before in a couple ATV parks that have snapped their rods so that they could safely get back to their trailer and load back up and get home. So anyways, this is just an idea. I hope you all have a great and safe day. Look out for each other. This is Trav. Bye.